Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make an Oreo cake. Start with 110 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams of sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar with half a teaspoon of salt and whisk them together. Now add in 30 grams of egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, add in the dry ingredients, 180 grams of all-purpose flour and the same in cocoa powder, plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Once it's all mixed together, we're going to chill it. Then roll it out. Cut out a giant circle. We're going to do a few of these so we can create layers for our cake. Bake them for 13 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, add 1 cup of heavy cream to a mixing bowl and whisk till thickened. Then add in 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Lovely. Pop that into a piping bag and pipe onto your Oreo cake. Beautiful. Let's layer it up. Smaller ones on the top. That way we've got some room to decorate with fruit around the edge. And on the top. Delicious. Let's sprinkle with icing sugar for a finishing touch.